It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to be making a prediction using survey results and using that to predict for a whole population. Here's our question. We have a researcher that surveyed a random sample of 500 college students to see if they prefer reading a print magazine or a digital magazine. This table shows the results of the survey. So here are your survey results for the magazine print, digital, or no preference. We're told that there are a total of 7,500 students in the college. And based on the results in the table, we want to know what is the best estimate of the total number of students in the college who would report that they prefer digital magazines. And you're given 4 answer choices. So here's where I'd like you to pause the video, make your prediction, and then come back to see my work. Good luck. Welcome back. So again, we want to identify the best estimate of the total students who prefer digital magazines. We're told right here in the survey results that 200 of the responses preferred digital. We also know that they did a random sample of 500 college students. So we know that when we come over here and we add up these 3 number of responses, it's going to total 500. So 220 plus 200 is 420 plus another 80 is 500. So this is the responses of the 500 college students that were surveyed. So we know that 200 of the 500 students surveyed preferred digital. So we're going to write a proportion to use this as a predictor. Now, we know that the college has 7,500 students. That wouldn't be realistic to survey all of them. They did a smaller sample size. But we know we're going to compare the 500 that were sampled to predict what all the students in the college would say. So we want to know how many would be an assumed prediction if this stayed true. So let's use cross product property to find the value of x. 500 times x is going to start our solution, writing our equation, and then 200 times 7,500 is 1,500,000. To solve for x, we want to undo multiply by 500, and we're going to divide by 500. What I do to one side of an equation, I must do to the other. 500 divided by 500 is 1, giving me 1x or just x. And then 1,500,000 divided by 500 is 3,000. So we can predict that if 200 of the 500 students that were surveyed picked digital, that 3,000 of the 7,500 students would also pick digital. So that will be answer choice C, that is our best estimate. Thanks for joining me on learning how to make a prediction given survey results after having sampled a population. And that's the magic of math, where we master math one video at a time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you come back soon.